Fans, hello. Some people, myself included, are not great fans of the Windows backup and restore software that comes with Windows, Vista 7, etc. So it's worth considering some of the other freebies that are available. One of the more useful freebies out there is Genie Timeline. Let's get that installed on your system and show you how it works. Open a browser window, whichever your favourite, and using your search engine, just type in Genie Timeline free. It should take you to the Geniesoft websites. As use your download link, so we can go straight to that and download the program, which hopefully will happen in the next few seconds. Here we go. Be careful where you get these things from. I'm going to Genie 9, who are the manufacturers of this software. People might be tempted to go elsewhere and get the wrong one. So you can see it says download there. I've already clicked the wrong one, so it's Genie Timeline free. 7 is in fact the paid for version, it's just a free trial. Once it's downloaded, just start the program. I'll go to Windows File Explorer to show you where it is. Right, that's all down, I believe. Pop into File Explorer. And into your Downloads folder. Eee, almost there. And here we have Genie Timeline free. So double click on that to launch the program. And then follow the installation prompts. Straightforward. You don't need to install it, put your email in there, but you can if you wish, and they'll send you updates as and when new applications are available or new versions are available. It's a pretty straightforward installation and shouldn't take too long. You end up with a thing called no backup zone icon on your desktop. It's a folder. Anything you don't want backed up, can't think why you wouldn't, but there you go, is placed in that folder. You can, if you wish, put things in there. I haven't found a use for it yet. I'm sure that if you read the full bit of software, it'll give you some insight into that. I think we'll come back when it's finished. Once the installation's finished, it'll automatically open up the Setup Wizard window. So now we're going to select our backup drive. Hopefully you have an external drive plugged in, like I do here, my backup drive. So I'm going to go select that and then unclick the arrow, bottom right hand corner, to move on. Now I want to select everything because I'm a bit paranoid about that. So I click select all, and with a bit of luck and a following wind, all your stuff that's important to you will be backed up. Once again, click the arrow down here, and the screen changes eventually and moves on to the next bit. It's the beauty of working in virtual machines slow. So it's working out now how long what it's got to do and how long it's going to take. Most of the time this is a good bit of software to use if you've got the hard drive connected permanently, but these days with the risk of ransomware, encryption, viruses, etc., it's probably worth plugging this in and running it manually whenever you want to run it. If you feel happy enough then to leave it connected all the time, then by all means do so, and it'll always try and back up in the background. As you can see, you have an option here to switch to turbo mode, so we'll flick that and it goes a bit faster. The icon for that is this spinning grey disc or wheel, whatever, around the blue dot, and I tend to leave that visible so that I can see what it's backing up, that it's actually doing something. And the nice thing about this particular bit of backup software is that you can actually look at the files. At the moment there's not a lot there, but if we pop onto the File Explorer and go to the backup drive, we'll see it's created a folder called _Genie Timeline. And there's another folder, and the 0 folder is where you've got to look. C drive, users, here we are. In public, it's already doing the video. So I can actually see the file as a file. It is not some esoteric, great long string of numbers that is meaningless to most people when they just look at the information. So you can get a reasonably accurate idea that your information is being backed up, and you can always check it. This free version backs up automatically every 8 hours. So you can leave it as it is, and you'll see the green tick has now appeared to say it's happy and everything's protected. You can right click on the icon and select run now if you wish, but as nothing's been changed, it's very fast to respond. That's it. You just close this icon. Here's the no backup zone folder I was talking about. Anything that goes in there will not be backed up. Hope that helps, and check back for more vids later. Bye for now.